and welcome. You're now looking at the Warrior Plus network, and one of the reasons that you would use Warrior Plus as a sales system is that it will allow you to recruit affiliates who will be incentivized to sell your product. When you are setting up your product inside of an affiliate network, you're going to have control over specific offer settings. And it's here where you will be able to set the parameters for your affiliate program for a specific product. For each individual product that you're going to be selling, you can decide on the commission rate that a partner will receive when they generate a sale of your product. That process happens by using specially coded buttons on your sales page. By using the coded buttons on your sales page and allowing affiliates to promote the product to this sales page, every time a sale is made, they will be automatically credited in an account that they own with the affiliate network. And this can be a reason that you choose to use an affiliate network like Warrior Plus. Now, you will want to look at some of the other products on the network, but you'll be able to determine if your product will be a fit within the affiliate network of other products that are going to be sold in this marketplace. Now, it is possible to operate your affiliate program privately so that the effects of the network will not necessarily be apparent to your customer. When you are getting ready to launch your product, you're going to want to make sure that this element, deal of the day eligible, is going to be turned off. This will mean that your customers will not receive promotions from the Warrior Plus network. Initially, you'll want to make sure that the product is not going to be public to the marketplace. That will mean then that your affiliate program as well as your product launch will be private to the individuals that will be your customers as well as the affiliates. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.